Hey Kinders, today we're going to talk about how to figure out if it's an addition or a subtraction problem. Parents, with these problems, it's not so much the addition and subtraction as it is figuring out which operation to do. This is a critical thinking skill that your child is going to need for their math career. So, reading the problem to them and discussing which operation is the key in kindergarten level word problems. So we're going to be looking for keywords that lets us know if we are taking away or if we are adding on. If you haven't seen my example of the addition problem, go ahead back to that and review addition if you need to. Fly away birdie. 8 birds were on a fence. 2 birds flew away. If your child doesn't catch on, I would really emphasize flew away. Ask them, what does that sound like? Addition or subtraction? How many birds are left? Another key word. Once your child identifies that this is a subtraction problem, then you can solve the problem in different ways. This is the secondary goal of subtraction and addition word problems in kindergarten, is representing your answer in different ways. This shows that you truly understand the operation and you're not just memorizing a fact. So even though your word problems in your packet don't look like this, I highly recommend you draw a picture, draw a number line, and make an equation for each problem. So first there were 8 birds. We talk a lot in class about drawing representations instead of drawing detailed pictures for math. These are just representations and they should be drawn quickly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2 birds flew away. What should we do next? All right, let's exit out to represent that they are not there anymore. And then count how many are left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 birds are left. Let's double check. The number line is something fairly new we started talking about before we left class. But we started out with 8 birds, and we figured out that it's subtraction, so we're making the number smaller on the number line, so we're going to the left. And then how many birds flew away? 2. So we're going to jump 2 times. 1, 2. Did we get the same answer? We did, 6. Then we'll go down to the equation. And we'll write the equation. How many birds did we start with? 8. Take away, how many birds flew away? 2. 8 take away 2 equals 6. And our answer is 6 birds. It's important to get in the habit of telling 6 what? It could be 6 balloons, it could be 6 teddy bears, it's 6 birds. Have fun doing word problems.